Eastwood offers a brand new line of rechargeable COB LED lights that have a ton of options. But if you're looking for the most powerful handheld light of the bunch, that comes with a lot of other benefits like a magnetic 360-degree swivel base, hook mounting option, 3 brightness settings, impact and moisture ingress ratings, you need to check out the Eastwood Rechargeable COB LED Work light. So this LED light has 3 settings. There's a high and a low setting. They output 600 and 300 lumens respectively. That's going to come from the larger COB LED right here on the front. Now on the top of this light, it also has a lower 160 lumen LED setting to give you a little bit less light but save on battery life. So this is actually very comfortable. You have the option to hold this like a torch straight out in front of you, or like a pen light given the 2 different LED positions. This features a 3.7 volt, 2600 milliamp hour lithium ion internal battery. Will last you at least 1.5 hours on the brightest 600 lumen setting, but it will go as long as 4 hours on the lowest, and it charges from dead to full in about 4 hours using the included 39-inch micro USB wall charger. The charge port has a nice rubber seal over it to keep out dirt and moisture, and there's a nice battery level indicator right next to the port as well, let you know exactly how much juice is left. Now, one thing that really impressed me about this light is its adjustability. It is really on point here. This can rotate in 2 ways. You have a 360-degree swivel base as well as a 90-degree arm for adjustment and aiming. The base is also magnetic, so you could stick this thing to whatever you need to. There's also a hook, so if you're working on something that's not magnetic, you could still find a way to hang it from the hook and get light where you need it to be, or you could just hang it from your workbench for easy storage and use. Now, build quality is also fantastic. This light is housed in a durable polycarbonate with a clear polycarb lens over the LED, and it all comes together to make this light IP65 moisture and IK07 impact rated. So you know this was designed with professional use in mind. Now again guys, Eastwood offers a whole line of the rechargeable COB LED lights. I have a buyer's guide posted with all of them. If you're looking to compare them all, be sure to check that out. But long story short, if you're looking for the largest handheld light, this guy is going to be your best bet. Remember to press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers, so you're going to want to be subscribed for that. Also, check out our channel. We post tons of great how-to content over there that you're going to want to see. We'll have the work light link below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Joe. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.